Hi, this is the HardReset YouTube channel, and today I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test of Samsung Galaxy A04s device. So I just set up my fingerprint scanner here to the power key button on the right side of our phone, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, with a simple touch on the power key button, I just successfully unlocked the device. So it's just worked correct and fast, and I suggest you to try this unlock methods, but don't forget that the fingerprint unlock method is less secure than the passcodes or pin codes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.